So good morning dear cadets. Today I am going to teach you spherical mirror. Okay. So the plane mirror I have already covered. Everything about the plane mirror means what would be the characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror, where it is used. There are so many things about the plane mirror. What do you mean by real image, virtual image? Everything we have completed. Now spherical mirror. Okay. So what are the spherical mirror? The mirror which have got curved shiny surface. Curved shiny surface means reflecting surface. So the mirror which have got curved shiny surface or reflecting surface, that is known as spherical mirror. The best example of spherical mirror is stainless steel, means stainless steel spoon. Okay. You might have seen in stainless steel spoon two surfaces there. One is the outer surface, okay, that is protruding out, means bulge is there, and inside what is there? Cave like structure is there. Cave, from where you are getting the milk, sugar, whatever things. So curved, two types of curve is there. One curve is cave like, other curve is bulging out. Okay. So entire structure of stainless steel spoon is known as spherical mirror. This can be used as a spherical mirror. And now try to understand. By taking this example of spoon only, I can explain you there are two types of spherical mirror. One is the concave mirror, other one is the convex mirror. So just see the stainless steel spoon only. So which is cave like. Cave means inside of spoon, where like that structure is there or not. So that is concave mirror, means cave like. What is here? Cave like reflecting surface is there. Cave like reflecting surface. Cave like reflecting surface is there. That is known as concave mirror. Will make structure also, don't worry. Convex mirror means the portion of the stainless steel spoon which is bulging out, means outer side. That is convex mirror. Okay. So here cave like reflecting surface is not there. Which is bulging out, that is the reflecting surface. Okay. So I hope that you have got the meaning of spherical mirror. Another example also I can give you, that is very easy example. Take one rubber ball, and from mid of the rubber ball divide into two parts. So now you have got the two parts. One part is this one, another part is this one. Okay. And now just see, both are acting as a spherical mirror. This side, this is cave like, so this is concave mirror. And what about this side? What about this side? This is bulging out. This is convex mirror. What is this one? Convex mirror. In convex mirror, this is the reflecting surface. In concave mirror, this is the reflecting surface. Same is this part also. This structure is cave like. So here reflecting surface is cave like. And this side what is there? This is the bulging out portion, and this is also reflecting surface only. So the best example of spherical mirror you can understand with the help of rubber ball. If you divide this one into two pieces, two parts. Okay. So now I hope that you have got the spherical mirror and types. Now let us study in detail what is the concave mirror, what is the convex mirror, and what is their reflecting surface with the help of diagram. Okay. So just see dear cadets here. Now concave mirror and convex mirror. So in concave mirror what is there? Which have got the concave or cave like reflecting surface. Just see here, see this diagram. This is cave like, this area, this is the inner surface. Its inner surface is only reflecting surface. Inner surface is only reflecting surface. That is why it is known as concave mirror. The best example is inner surface of stainless steel spoon. Okay. Another one is the convex mirror. The mirror which have got convex reflecting surface, means bulge out reflecting surface, that is known as convex mirror. Diagram is this one. This side, this is not a reflecting surface. Outer surface, this is only reflecting surface. So outer side of stainless spoon, that is the reflecting surface. Now try to understand. That is the most example, means most important thing. In concave and convex mirror, their reflecting surfaces are different. Their reflecting surfaces are different. So the image which are formed there, that would also be different, okay, in both the cases. And because of this peculiarity or characteristics, they are used in different places. They are used in different places, and their image characteristics is also different, okay. Not only this one, try to understand. Suppose you are having any problem in your teeth, okay. So what doctor is doing? Doctor is putting one mirror inside your teeth and watching in another reflecting surface, another mirror, okay. But same mirror cannot be used as a side mirror of the vehicles or some other places. So the utility of mirror is different in different places because they form different kinds of images, okay. So one by one we'll teach. Now first try to understand. First we'll discuss the characteristics of image formed by the concave mirror. Concave mirror. So just remember, the reflecting surface of concave mirror is cave-like. Inner surface is the reflecting surface. Now try to understand. Do one activity. Now try to understand. There is a problem in the extra marks. Second problem, you are not in the class, okay. So who will assemble all those things which are required to perform an experiment? Nevertheless, you are staying at your home, so I am suggesting you can do one activity. Just try to understand. Now if you can manage the concave and convex mirror, so I will try hard to get it from the physics lab, and will show you that this is the concave mirror and convex mirror, okay. Same is the case with the lenses also, okay. Will try hard, but try to understand. Just see. Take one burning candle, okay. Burning candle. Keep on the table, and just behind the burning candle, put one concave mirror. Concave mirror, okay. What you have to put? Concave mirror. And front of burning candle, put one screen. For making the screen, it is very easy work. Just see. Take one cardboard and one white paper, you paste on it. That will act as a screen. That will act as a screen. Means try to understand. First listen the arrangement. Here between burning candle is there. This side mirror is there. And this area what is there? Screen is there. So between mirror and screen, burning candle should be kept. Okay. Are you getting my point? Now try to understand here. So whatever image will form on the mirror, same image will form on the screen. But try to understand here. When object is moved towards the mirror, then what should be there? Mirror means image which is formed on the screen, their characteristics would be different. So now try to understand. When it is closed, then image may be, now I will write all those things, don't worry. Means arrangement you have seen or not? Now if arrangement you have got, so you can perform if you have got the mirror. Mirror means concave and convex mirror. I will tell when the burning candle is close to the mirror, what kind of image is formed on the screen. When burning candle is away from the mirror, what kind of image is formed on the screen. So all those things will tell you one by one. So now just see. Now arrangement of activity already I have shown you. And now just see. Two conditions would be there. Characteristics of image formed by concave mirror. When object is kept away from the mirror, means burning candle, if it is kept away from the mirror, then what kind of image would be formed? Image would be real. So what is the meaning of real image? The image which is formed on the screen, that is known as real. So if you keep the burning candle away from the mirror, real image would form. Second one is image would be inverted. If it is away, then inverted. What is the meaning of inverted? Means burning candle image would be inverted, ulta. Okay, means flame is like that, so flame would be like that. Okay, are you getting my point or not? So image would be inverted, means as if somebody has inverted the burning candle. Okay, it is like that, not like that. Okay, image would be smaller than object. So whatever image of burning flame is formed there, that would be smaller than object. Okay, so this is the characteristics of image when object is kept away from the mirror. Second one, when object is kept near to mirror. When object is kept near to mirror, then what would be the condition? Just try to understand. Image would be virtual. Virtual means if burning candle is kept close to the mirror, at that time what would be there? Image would not be formed on the screen. That is why it is virtual image. Okay. Second one, image would be erect. Image would be erect. Now try to understand. Virtual image would be when you are keeping very close. If it is little bit away, then image would be erect. Okay. If it is very close, then only you can write here. Kept near to mirror. Here write very close. Very close. Then virtual. If it is little bit away, then image would be erect. Image would be larger than object. What would be there? Image would be larger than object. So always remember, first characteristics is there when it is kept very close to the mirror object. Okay, so these are the characteristics of image formed by concave mirror. What are the uses of this mirror? Try to understand. This mirror is used by the doctor to examine the throat, ears and eye. Okay, throat, ears and eye. Okay. Second one, this mirror is used to see the enlarged image of teeth. Doctor is putting like that. They are putting or not? So when they put the mirror inside your mouth, so the teeth enlarged image can be seen. If there is a decay of teeth or some other problem in the teeth, very easily they can examine. The third one, you might have seen the reflector of scooter, cars, headlight. Okay, even torch reflector. So that torch reflector, that headlight of cars, scooter and torches, they means this concave mirror is used as a headlight. Okay, so these are the characteristics and uses of the concave mirror. Okay, now in this way the duration of today's video is over. Now try to understand, note down some questions. Question must be there or not? So what is the first question? The first question is, what is spherical mirror? Question number 1. What is spherical mirror? Okay, first question. Second question is, what are concave and convex mirror? Okay, question number 1, 2. Question number 3. Write characteristics of image. Characteristics of image formed by concave mirror. Okay, mirror. So this is also the question number 3rd. The last question is, I am writing this side. The last question is, write some uses of question number 4. Okay, write some uses of concave mirror. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in this way, thank you.